Hi everyone. Okay, so Hex.Business version 2 has just gone live. So this is just a quick tutorial for those of you who were asking me about freezing on the new platform. Okay, so you're going to click on Get Hex Money. Yep, this is right. It'll take you here. And then your balance will show in your wallet. It will also show down here. Mine is not freezing, not showing because I've already done my freeze. So you would just your balance would show here. You just copy and paste it in here. Hit the freeze button, saying value must be greater than 0 because I don't have any here. So you hit the freeze button, confirm in MetaMask, and it will show up down here, and that's it. Yeah, you. I think every day you'll have to, according to the little notification here, see if it pops up, that red notification. You have to claim your dividends daily before any action. So you claim here. I think you have the option to choose. I'm not 100% sure. You can choose either to claim ETH or X or XC or USDC. I think you just choose the one you want to claim, and you click claim. Okay, so that's it. That's how to freeze your coins. You will have to add the new token contract in your MetaMask wallet for the new version 2 coins to show up. Okay, so I'll leave a link to Hex.Business for those who want to join, and also I'll leave the new contract address as well. What I've noticed as well, even though it's frozen, it still shows your balance in your MetaMask wallet, but it's not liquid, so you can't do anything with it, but it will still show here. Okay, so that's it for now.